2025 brings gadgets that will transform the way you ride. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily commuter, this year promises to introduce some game-changing technology that will elevate your riding experience. From smart tires to AR helmets, here are the coolest innovations you'll want to get your hands on as soon as they hit the market. 1. Terrain Adaptive Tires, the smart tire revolution. Let's kick things off with something that will drastically change the way you handle various terrains: terrain adaptive tires. Riding on a motorcycle is an experience like no other, but road conditions can sometimes be unpredictable. Whether you're navigating slick city streets or venturing off-road, tire performance is crucial. Enter the new generation of terrain adaptive tires, which automatically adjust air pressure in real time based on the surface you're riding on. This new technology is a game changer. Unlike traditional tires that require manual pressure adjustments for different terrains, these smart tires constantly monitor the road's texture, your bike's speed, and even the incline. Through built-in sensors, the tire adjusts its air pressure to provide optimal grip on any surface, be it smooth asphalt, muddy dirt paths, or gravel roads. When you're cruising on smooth highways, the tire will inflate to ensure the best possible contact with the road, offering a comfortable and fuel-efficient ride. If you're suddenly faced with rocky trails, the pressure will automatically decrease, maximizing traction and preventing slippage. This system is essentially an intelligent adaptation that will revolutionize the way you ride, providing safety, efficiency, and comfort no matter where you go. 2. Helmet-mounted AR displays, your personal ride dashboard. Moving on to helmet-mounted AR displays, which bring the concept of a personal dashboard to life. Imagine having all the data you need while riding, right in your line of sight. That's the promise of augmented reality AR helmets in 2025. With the integration of a small, transparent display on the visor, this technology will project key metrics: speed, tire pressure, navigation directions, and more without ever needing to take your eyes off the road. No more glancing down at your phone or struggling to see your motorcycle's display. With AR, you get live updates directly on your helmet, just like you'd see in a futuristic sci-fi movie. This is especially useful for navigation while riding through unfamiliar areas or dense traffic. Just imagine the ease of seeing your turn-by-turn directions or upcoming street names without needing to stop or fumble around with GPS devices. But it doesn't stop there. These helmets also integrate voice commands, allowing you to switch between modes, change settings, or answer calls without using your hands. Your ride is more immersive, more informed, and safer, with fewer distractions. 3. Dynamic Suspension Systems Real-Time Adaptation. One of the most exciting technological advancements in 2025 is the dynamic suspension system. A smooth ride is essential, whether you're cruising down a highway or taking your bike off-road. But traditional suspension systems only offer limited control over road conditions. That's all about to change. The new dynamic suspension systems adapt to the road in real time, ensuring that your bike is always tuned for the best performance, comfort, and control. These systems are equipped with sensors that measure the conditions of the road, including bumps, potholes, and rough surfaces. The system then adjusts the suspension settings, automatically softening or stiffening the ride as needed. 4. Portable jump starters, your lifesaver on the go. Everyone has experienced that moment when your bike refuses to start, the dreaded dead battery. But in 2025, portable jump starters are about to make that problem a thing of the past. These compact devices are small enough to carry in your jacket or backpack, and they pack a punch when it comes to providing a quick jump for your bike's battery. New advancements in battery technology have made jump starters more portable and more powerful. Some models are even smaller than a smartphone, but can provide enough power to get your motorcycle's engine cranking again in minutes. And that's not all. Many of these jump starters come with added features, such as USB charging ports for your devices, so you can keep your phone or GPS powered up as well. For long-distance riders or anyone who enjoys venturing off the beaten path, a portable jump starter provides peace of mind. It's an emergency tool that ensures you won't get stranded in the middle of nowhere due to a dead battery. Easy to use and small enough to store in your gear, it's an essential tool for any rider. 5. Wireless helmet speakers, crystal clear sound without the hassle. When it comes to long rides, entertainment is key. But wired speakers can be cumbersome, and traditional and helmet audio solutions can be distracting. Enter wireless helmet speakers, the perfect solution for riders who love music, podcasts, or hands-free communication while on the road. These Bluetooth-enabled speakers are designed to deliver crisp, high-quality sound directly to your ears without the mess of wires. The integration of these speakers into your helmet ensures they stay securely in place, regardless of how fast or rough the ride gets. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes, getting directions from your GPS, or answering a call, these wireless speakers offer clarity and ease. They're engineered to stay out of your way, providing a seamless audio experience without interfering with your ride. With features like noise cancellation and wind resistance, these helmet speakers ensure that you enjoy your music or conversation without compromising on road awareness. 6. Bike-mounted air purifiers, fresh air for long rides. Anyone who's ever ridden in heavy traffic knows how quickly the air can become polluted. Diesel fumes, dust, and other contaminants can make the ride less pleasant. Fortunately, 2025 introduces the bike-mounted air purifier, a gadget designed to make your air fresher, no matter where you ride. These air purifiers are compact and mounted directly onto the bike, where they use advanced filtration systems to cleanse the air as you ride. They capture pollutants like dust, smoke, and even allergens, ensuring that you're breathing fresh, clean air during your journey. Whether you're in an urban area or out on a long country ride, these devices make a big difference in air quality. 7. Foldable smart locks, unmatched convenience and security. Let's face it, securing your bike is always a concern when you're out and about. Traditional locks can be bulky and hard to carry, and their effectiveness is often limited. Enter the foldable smart lock, an innovative combination of portability, convenience, and security. These compact locks can easily fit into your backpack or under your seat, but they don't compromise on security. Using Bluetooth connectivity, they can be locked or unlocked with a simple tap from your smartphone. Many models also include GPS tracking, so if someone attempts to tamper with your bike, you'll receive an alert instantly. In addition to their high security features, these locks are designed to be easy to use. 8. GPS key tags, never lose your keys again. Have you ever spent precious time searching for your keys, only to find that you've misplaced them again? GPS key tags are the solution to this common problem. These small, discrete tags attach to your keychain and use GPS technology to help you locate your keys in an instant. Lost your keys in your backpack or jacket pocket? Simply use your smartphone to track their location. Some models even allow you to make the key tag emit a sound, so you can easily find them if they're hidden under a pile of clothes. Whether you're at home, on a ride, or in a rush to get going, GPS key tags will save you time and frustration. These tags are small enough to be practical yet powerful enough to ensure you never lose track of your keys again. 9. Bike alarm systems, protect your ride. Security is always a top priority for motorcycle owners, and bike alarm systems are a vital part of any rider's protection plan. These systems are designed to detect unauthorized movement or tampering with your bike. If someone tries to steal your bike or mess with it, the alarm goes off, sending an alert directly to your phone. Many of these bike alarms come with advanced sensors that can distinguish between normal vibrations like you moving your bike and suspicious activity. Once the system detects tampering, it triggers a loud, attention-grabbing alarm and notifies you immediately, giving you the chance to act before things escalate. 10. Automatic chain lubricators, effortless maintenance. Lastly, let's talk about automatic chain lubricators, which make bike maintenance easier than ever. Regular chain lubrication is essential to keeping your bike running smoothly, but it can often be messy and time-consuming. These automatic lubricators eliminate that hassle by applying the right amount of lubricant to your chain at regular intervals. These systems are designed to work without any intervention from you. They automatically distribute the perfect amount of lubricant based on your riding conditions, ensuring your chain stays smooth and free from friction. With the need for less manual maintenance, you'll spend more time riding and less time cleaning your bike. So, there you have it, 2025's motorcycle gadgets that are guaranteed to make your riding experience safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. From terrain adaptive tires to automatic chain lubricators, each of these innovations is designed to improve the way we ride. Which gadget are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on these amazing new products before they hit the market, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.